somebody to save the day.
Welcome to Mighty House. This is a show for people with problems, home improvement problems, that is, and for people who want common sense guidance on how to build green and live a more sustainable lifestyle. Send an email. The Mighty House crew is on the job. This is Mighty House.
All right, we're back. We've got a quickie here, another one from Klein. So if the holidays are coming around, you're looking for something for dad, grandpa, mom, grandma, whoever.
Anybody that does any type of woodworking or works on their home.
Yes. Well, let's see. Let's go this way with it. There we go. It's the digital angle finder and miter saw protractor. This is a wicked piece of machinery right here. Yeah. And we have pre-cut it open because it took me about 45 minutes to get into it. But other than that.
So like we were saying, I have one of those, but it's an old school one from a different company, but it's not digital. Look at that. How cool is that?
And then you can lock it in with this right here. And that'll help because this is an adjustable. You tighten it up, loosen it up, and then it makes this move easier. So you can tighten it, put it down, find your angle, snug it up, and then it gives you your angle. This also has a hold, so you can hold that angle. It does metric conversion, whatever that is, I think. At what's MTR degrees? 73 degrees. Oh, that's the miter
cut. Right.
That's
hit
the
it
miter.
Again, it should give you a BEV.
Right. So at 34.1 degrees, that's a 73. So you're hitting, it converts it. So can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So there's that. It's 34. Let's go to something we know what it is.
We'll go to 90.
I'm taking the hold off. 84. There, 90. Wow, this thing's freaking accurate. 89.8, 89.9. Oh, 90.4. Jeez. 3, 7, 6. 90 points. Forget it. 90.2. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then let's hit the miter one. There, 45.
All right. We might have to read some instructions.
Which we have right here. It comes with destructions.
Destructions?
Destructions. So we've got that. So it also has a hold button in case it gets bumped. You can hold it and it'll hold that. And of course you've got your this has metric on it. This has millimeters and sixteenths. Millimeters and sixteenths. So you can see it's etched on there.
Mm-hmm.
It's got both millimeters and sixteenths, which is pretty interesting. And it has one battery in there, so you need a small little Phillips screwdriver from your glasses set to do that. So, or you could go get one of your Klein tool sets that's like this, that has the electronic screwdriver set in it.
That one, it will give you your angle and then your miter, which obviously on a 90-45 would be your miter. But again, if we were at 72 degrees, we'd need a 36.5 or what, you know what I mean?
Right. So there, let's see, 81.4. So there's 81.4. You hit the miter button and it 49.3.
So that's what it says. It gives you simple miters.
Correct.
So it's still good.
Oh, yeah. $35 for this baby?
Yep.
That's a quick, easy, fun little tool to have. Yeah. So there you go. Klein Tools, digital angle finder, and miter saw protractor.
There you go.